All right. Friends of the show? Yeah, sure. May remember that at the old shop we had our big old plywood pterodactyl in the style of those things you used to get from the Natural History Museum. In the move, we had him hanging up briefly, and then he suffered from a horrible accident. I hit him with the scaffold because we got safety rail, and that made it high enough, and I cracked his shoulder blades. He came down. It was very, very tragic. And we recently unearthed one of our old computers that had a bunch of old vectors on it from the CNC machine. And it turns out that on that old machine, the last thing we had cut was the pterodactyl. So I made some replacement shoulders and wings, and he lives.
Except it's a Pteranodon.
Yes, it's not actually a pterodactyl, it's a Pteranodon. And all of the things I learned about dinosaurs in grade school are all wrong, so I'm not even going to try. And then, because I had the vectors again, we made a third scale version. This guy's in 1/4 inch instead of 3/4, and I can.
His jaw.
He's some of the stuff's a little loose. I will publish vectors for this as a Illustrator or PDF file because I can export from vCarve to that, so you could all have little pterodactyls if you want.
This is me talking over the part where Matt does the time lapse so that it's not dead air. Really, there's no reason I need to say anything, but I'm just going to go ahead and do it anyway so that you're not listening to silence while Matt does the time lapse. I hope you enjoyed this. What's the other card look like?
Oh, yeah. So he comes on 2 cards. Ribs are labeled for where they go, and the rest you kind of just got to figure out for yourself and make them look like a dinosaur. Rawr.
Technically, it's a puzzle.
Or caw.
It doesn't
The
go.
letters are cheating.
It does not go caw.
This one does.
Dang it.
That is the sound that plywood makes when you yell caw at it. I got nothing.